Local news for Tuesday the 9th of May. A man has died following a crash in Clearville near Carterton last Thursday. The man was injured in the crash and transported to Wellington Hospital. The serious crash unit continued to investigate the circumstances surrounding the crash. A new initiative to fuel Wairarapa children with real food and to make life more convenient for parents has launched in Masterton. Tucker Box, a new online business that allows parents to pre-order wholesome homemade lunches and have them delivered straight to school, got underway at Opaki School in north of Masterton last week. It is believed to be the first online business of its kind in the Wairarapa. Tucker Box or primary school age children open their paper bag lunch boxes to discover home-baked treats, fresh fruit and sandwiches. Wellington Chamber of Commerce have congratulated Transit Group and User Bus for being successful bidders for a large part of the bus service across the region. Chamber Chief Executive John Milford said ratepayers as well as taxpayers are set to benefit from this tender, which will save millions of dollars and deliver a fleet of new and more environmentally friendly buses. He says, "I'm delighted that Masterton-based Transit has committed to employing as many as 380 further drivers it needs from the region's existing workforce, and that it will build 228 new buses, as many as possible of them at Kiwi Bus Builders at Seaview." And Wairarapa United are back to the top of the table after a 2-1 victory over Lower Hutt City on the weekend. The women unfortunately went down 2-1 to stop out. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.